Hello everyone, my name is Karen Winston. I'm an immigration attorney practicing only immigration law with the law office of Karen Winston in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to give you 10 tips today for hiring the right immigration attorney and how to pick the immigration attorney that's right for your case. Number one, you want to make sure that they're a licensed immigration attorney and not a notario. There are a lot of people out there saying that they practice immigration law. Only an immigration attorney who's licensed is able to practice immigration law. You can find out if your attorney is really an attorney and whether they're in good standing with their local bar by looking them up on their state bar's website. All licensed attorneys can be identified on their state bar website. You want to also be able to check out your attorney online. Google their name. Do they have good reviews? What are clients saying about them? That is going to give you good insight as to whether this person has a good reputation within the community and how previous clients view that lawyer's services. Third tip, see if the immigration attorney has experience in your particular type of case. The last thing you want is for your deportation case, for example, an attorney taking it on who has never been to immigration court or doesn't know the ins and outs of immigration court. Don't be shy during a consultation with your potential attorney to see, do they have experience handling your particular type of case and what has their experience been like? You definitely want to steer clear of any attorney who gives you a guarantee of the outcome of your case. Ethically, lawyers can't do that, number one. Number two, each case is different and it's going to depend on your individual facts, plus circumstances beyond the attorney's control. Any attorney who tells you they 100% guarantee that your case is going to be approved or is going to win is somebody you should be wary of. Fifth tip, meet your immigration attorney before hiring them. Sixth tip, steer clear of any attorney who dabbles in immigration. They maybe do many different types of law and once in a while take an immigration case. Immigration is extremely complicated. The laws are constantly changing. Under this administration in particular, there are changes in immigration law nearly every day. You need to make sure that the person handling something as important as your future or your family's future is experienced in immigration law. Tip number 7, you get what you pay for. Online service providers or non-attorneys offering immigration services may be less expensive than hiring an experienced immigration attorney. But is that really who you want working on something so important as your immigration case? Will that person be able to go to the interview with you? Will you be able to meet with that person directly? Although hiring an experienced immigration attorney is going to, in all likelihood, be a significant investment, it is something that your future depends on and is extremely important to your life. You want to make sure that you're not trying to save a few dollars and winding up with a real expense by your case being hurt and ultimately having to hire the right attorney, an experienced attorney in the end. Tip number 8. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. You want to have an immigration attorney representing you who is able to face the real challenges that are likely to be present in your case, especially under this administration. Immigration law has changed dramatically. It's no longer just filing a form and attending an interview. The law has changed so that denials of applications now result in referrals to immigration court. You want to make sure that the person handling your case has made that proper advice to you, but is also competent and able to handle that if it comes up and advise you about that correctly. An attorney who tells you that there's no problem, that this is going to be a piece of cake, or that gives you false hopes, that's a red flag. You want to avoid that type of attorney. 9th tip for hiring a great immigration attorney. Find an immigration attorney who has a great team. How you are treated from the beginning of your case is going to likely dictate how your case will be handled for its duration. At this point, immigration cases last for years, 2, 3 years in many cases. You're going to have that ongoing relationship with your lawyer and your lawyer's team, the staff working on your case and helping through the process. You're going to have that relationship for a long time, so you want to make sure that you're treated with respect, that you feel valued. Trust your instincts from the beginning when you're first interacting with a lawyer or the lawyer's office. How do they treat you? That's likely how you're going to be treated for the duration of your case. 10th tip and the final tip: be honest with your attorney. Your attorney is only going to be able to help you, and a prospective attorney that you're consulting with is only going to be able to truly evaluate your case if you tell them the true facts surrounding your case and you don't hide any information. The last thing that you want is to have made the investment of hiring an attorney, you go along with your case, and then you disclose something that is going to probably increase the cost of the case and maybe change whether you're even eligible for something. So from the very beginning, when you're looking for an attorney, when you're hiring an attorney, be honest with them about your case, the specific facts of your case. That's going to get you a much better result in the end. So that's it. Those are the 10 tips. Be safe out there. Thank you for listening. Bye.